So now I've reached the point of confusion because I have all these things that are like random sizes that I'm trying to figure out what to put it with and what not to put it with. So this drawer has been a pretty big mess. I've pulled these palettes out already. Some like older staple ones that I don't want to part with. I have some of the Urban Decay ones that are of course discontinued. So I'm putting those to the side. And then I have this. So with this one, currently I have like some larger face ones that didn't fit in the others. And then I have eyeshadow palettes on this side. So I'm trying to see and kind of like narrow it down so I'm not putting everything. And I do need to get rid of some. But I love these little Shade and Light palettes. I got these at TJ Maxx and they were like a brand new steal. Like I love this sagey green. I actually like them all. So I'm like, I don't know. I'm just debating what I need to do, what I need to get rid of, and I need to go through what's in here. I have some like more sentimental things that I've held on to. So I used to love Lorac back in the day, but it was honestly before I was wearing a lot of makeup. So at the time I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna use this. But really I didn't use them much at all, and it was really just more to have it. I just didn't wear that much makeup back then. As you can see, most of them are like barely touched, lightly used. So I use them all once or twice, you know, so they're not old. I definitely need to get rid of that lip palette. I never use lip palettes ever. If you hear a banging sound, it's my cat who just had to come in here and then now she wants to leave. So I've got those, and then I've actually got more up here. Like I have so much of this old Lorac stuff that truly I should just get rid of because it's so old. But I've just been holding on to it for like sentimental purposes. So I'm definitely getting rid of this lip one that's ridiculously old. And honestly, all of these, I don't know that they're actually any good. Like that's barely got any pigment. That's not bad. But like, is that worth keeping? Not really. This could be sanitized and donated, but it's still really old. So I don't feel comfortable donating that either, unfortunately. So I guess we're just gonna say goodbye to that one. And that should probably be said for all of these. I don't think there's any one of them. They came in a set where they're like, look like chocolate bars. It was a really cute idea. I need to part with them. They've been sitting here for too long. Got a couple Makeup Forever, and the round pans are their older pans, now they're square. And I've got a couple of those that I like made and purchased. I love those shadows though, so we're gonna keep that. This Makeup Forever one, I think this came in like the original 50 Shades of Grey set. So that tells you how old that is. Let's see if it's got any pigment left. Oh wow. Yeah, that one's still got some life in it. We'll hold on to that. Pretty colors. I need to do like a makeup graveyard. This is the Laura Geller Get Gilded. Oh my god, I cannot see myself using this. I can donate this brush that looks like it's not even used. I think I got this at TJ Maxx not that long ago, and I thought it was something else. I'm not gonna reach for this. That's just totally honest. That's so wasteful. I wonder if I can take this apart and like recycle some of it. I don't know. So that's unfortunate. It's a big nice mirror in here. Still got the cover on it. We'll see what this gloss smells like. It still smells good. So I'll set the gloss aside and donate the brush. I also picked out 3 more of the CoverGirl foundations that I had so many of to donate. So I've got a little donation pile happening. BoxyCharm and Pure. I think I remember liking this one. And this is the Crown Glam Metals. I feel like I like this one too. Oh yeah, I need to use this again. Look at that. Ooh, I need to use that. Another one of these. Oh, that's like a gel cream eyeliner thing. No, I'm not gonna keep that. Lorac Pro. I like this one because I don't really have anything that has these pastels in it. This is the Crown. Yeah, this is the Fuego. This was really pretty too. I'm gonna hold on to that. This is the Deck of Scarlet. I honestly don't know why I still have this. I hated it. I think maybe the blush was pretty, but yeah, I didn't feel like the quality was there at all with this, and these were just honestly ugly colors. Yeah, I really did not like this Deck of Scarlet. Barley Party Animal. I think I'll hold on to it for now just because of the colors. A couple of the colors that it has are pretty different. This is a really old Too Faced one. Yikes, I should probably get rid of that. I think I've honestly been just holding on to it for packaging. And it's got like this little cute, when I fell in love, you smiled because you knew. Okay. Little MAC 9 palette I'm gonna keep. Smashbox cover shot, I've got a couple of these, I do like them. Interstellar, more of a collector's item. The original Shade and Light Eye, sometimes you just need some of these colors. Definitely keeping this, and I need the new, I think it's like Zodiac Love Signs or something like that. I really need that one. This palette is really nice. Look at that. One swatch, really pretty. I need to pull this out and put it up front so I can use it more. These are some unopened liners. These are just kind of like saving new ones. So when I wanted to declutter some, I had some backups. This was one more thing in there. Let's see if it's, oh, these are nice. What the hell? Look at that mess I made. These are pretty freaking nice. Keeping that. We'll stick that right there for now. Okay, so this was originally the drawer that had my highlights in it. So it's got a lot of random things. First off, these Amie ones are really pretty. I don't use them all the time because of the colors, but they're actually really gorgeous, like the jelly ones. So I'm going to keep both of these. I'm just going to have to find a different place for them. This CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow, I have been mixing quite frequently with foundation, especially in the summer. This is a little old and it's like almost empty too, so I'm going to toss this one. Okay, so I'm actually going to pull this one up, and that way it's right up under this organizer, which has like blushes and highlights and things. I also put these 3 Hello Halo from Wet n Wild in these little slots since it fits so nicely. So I'm gonna move this up. So nice that that's so easy. And then this one I think I'm gonna put in the lipstick organizer. So let me grab that. And in the drawer below, we have disaster. So this needs to be decluttered for sure. So you can see with this organizer, like it's meant to set up on the counter, but I've never really liked this one. I couldn't figure out exactly what I wanted to do with it. It's very clunky, and then the sizes are just kind of random, but I really need to declutter this. So I've got some Clinique. This is like the glow ones, and then some of the matte lip pops. I actually like these, and most of these colors are really nice. So I'm gonna start by keeping these few right here. I know we're not off to a good start. And then I have the actual bullets. It looks like I have 2 of these melon ones. Oh, clearly I did an ombre lip with that. I think I'm just gonna keep this one. Nude Pop. I don't mind turning the bullets upside down, but I don't like turning liquids just because sometimes they can get messy. I've got 3 more shades. Punch Pop I really like. It's definitely bright. Berry. That one looks brand new. And then Cola. I don't think I like Cola, and this little bullet's trying to come out too. Berry is a bit prettier to me. I may wind up decluttering the Berry as well, but I'm going to keep Punch Pop for sure. Got some Julep lips. I have to say I did really enjoy these. Got a Buxom gloss. I'm going to stick back here in the back. I think I have another lip one coming, so I probably will put glosses in a separate, but for now I'm just going to start putting these together and then go from there. This looks like a Mally gloss that I've never even clicked up. I probably have multiple of those. Let me see. Look at this. I think I ordered like this huge set one time, and probably like half of these are used and half of them aren't. Let me look at these really quick. So honestly, I feel like I need to try these out. Most of them aren't even clicked up. I probably just forgot that I even had them. So sad. These skinny ones can go to a holder. Okay, I feel like I should give some of these away. These baby tints from Clinique are the only chubby sticks that I actually kept. I think I'm going to hold on to these as well just for now. I feel like so much of this just sat in here and not been used simply because I haven't been able to find it or see it or like know that I've even had it. This Lorac Couture Shine. Oh, it still smells great and looks great. Like, what have I been doing? Now, this Too Faced Glamour Gloss, this has to be old. That smells weird. Okay, I'm tossing that one. We've got Lorac Alter Eco. This one smells, I don't know, it's got that makeup smell, but for some reason I don't think it's supposed to smell like that. Got Bare Minerals Matte Liquid and Juju. Keeping that one. Makeup Forever Lab Shine. I feel like these are maybe old too. I don't know if that one's old, the Lab Shine, but I'm going to get rid of that. And then we've got a Julep Gloss. That's relatively new. Got a bunch of mini lips in stick form. It's a tiny lip pencil. I'm just going to toss this one. Keeping that nude stick. This Bite one's almost gone and looking a little worse for wear. We're going to get rid of that. I'm going to keep these NARS for now. I've got a few Milani lipsticks. I'm going to keep those. Got some Makeup Forever. Like a barely used red. I'm tempted to keep this purple simply because I don't have anything like it, but I'm not wearing that, guys. Not really. I got a black. I'm keeping that because I don't have any other blacks. And then this nude. Oh, that's pretty. Nice soft color. Got some Lancome Juicy Tubes. I wonder, do people hate these now? Am I the only one on earth who still likes them? Laura Geller City Lights. If I remember, I hate the smell of this one. Okay, now I remember why I didn't like that. It's the gritty glitter in it that I don't like. This Lancome gloss I'm going to keep. Old Urban I'm going to get rid of. Again, old mini Urban glosses I'm just going to get rid of. Maybelline little lip things I'm going to put back behind here. I don't use them often, so I don't mind kind of putting those away. A few Clinique lips. Ginger Flower was one of my all-time favorites. Ooh, she's looking a little rough. I loved this lip color though. It's like pinky red. It's so pretty. I need to use that again and just kind of use that one up. Matte Beauty. It's a good pink. And Matte Crimson. These were clearly freebie lips from Clinique. Why do I still have these? A different grape because I like that color. And Bamboo Pink. That's like one of their old school favorites. I think I'm going to get rid of these though because I feel like they're old for sure. This came from a lip set that they had. Let's see, I've got Matte Magenta, Matte Beauty, Matte Plum, Matte Petal, and Matte Crimson. So I've got Matte Beauty and Matte Crimson in here. That one looks newer than the other one. Okay, so I think I'm going to keep these. I do want to keep, I'm going to keep that Ginger Flower just because I love that, but I need to use it up really quick so that can randomly go in there. Orgasm Gloss, not my all-time favorite. This Stila Color Balm lip is old, so I'm going to get rid of that. So all that's left is 6 Lancome. That one's sheer, but it's so pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. Whoa. That one looks like it's going to be super pretty, but I'm underwhelmed. I definitely feel like I should be getting rid of even more of these, to be honest. So probably what I'll do, and honestly what I like to do, is just, I'm going to try one every day. Go in here, grab a different lip. If I really don't like it and it's not doing it for me, I'm just going to get rid of it. Because there's no point in holding on to everything, but I do want to give all of these another shot, so we will see. And then there are a few that I'm like, I know I love, I remember. So that's a little decluttering there. This is empty, so I will donate this. And I feel like I should use it for something, but honestly, I just need to clear out some space, so I'll donate her. And then let's declutter this little container too while we're here. So I've got in here some cream and liquid highlights, and then I also have obviously that big Naked Illuminated. This one I haven't used a lot because it's so glittery, but every now and then I do want that. And look, with my like slightly damp hand, it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna keep this. I just need to find a spot for it. I will be keeping What's Up because I really like that. These over here, I kind of decided I already wanted to keep. The Chartist Pro Glow is really pretty. I also like the Liquid Glow from Anastasia. And I haven't used the Alginus ones enough. They are a little bit lighter, but I want to mix these with things and try them more. This little Cover FX stick is just a little dark for me, so we're going to get rid of that. This, what was the other thing? The Josie, honestly, while I love a lot of her products, this illuminating wand is just very thick, and because of the argan oil, it is rather oily, and it's a little hard to blend, so I'm going to get rid of that one too. I'm going to keep the NYX Bright Idea. I like that one a lot. We've got High Beam. I do like this one. You can see I've used it a good bit, but I don't know that it, I don't know, I do like it. Maybe I'll keep this little High Beam since it's just a little mini. I've got the Milk Liquid Strobe. This is Beam. That's pretty. Okay, I think I'll hold on to that Milk one too. I can probably find a little home here. I kept a MAC Strobe Cream as well, if that's in view. And then, honestly, this NARS one, it's the Orgasm one. You can see that I've hardly ever used this because it's just strictly too dark for me. It would have to be darkening something or like mixing. Honestly, I feel like I've had this too long and I've never used it, so I need to say bye to that, and I'll just keep these liquids. I've got this from Buxom. This is Divine Goddess. No thanks. This one, this Tarte Celebutante, and I know is old. It's just so pretty. It's like half gone. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is, but it's like an oil. It's a moisturizing dry oil. I cannot tell you how old this is. And y'all just look the other way. Just look the other way. So I'll find a home for these that we are keeping. Oh, excuse me, and what's up in there too.